See, at this point.
30 to 30 is more.
Right?
What it does,
Where did it move?
this detects current. So what happens here is this is magnet.
It's here,
This
right?
magnet has a magnetic field. Though it is invisible, this has a magnetic field. And this is a motor, which is a
Why it
magnetic
moved?
It's a
Because
magnetic
when this surface was when the
which can carry a current.
it went like
It
this.
passes inside. Insulator is something which cannot
Towards the
carry.
north.
This is something copper wire.
When it's going
It
from
can
here
carry
to
current
glass,
electricity.
like
So here there's a magnetic field, then it deflects. When you're doing like this,
from there,
it has some deflection.
then some
Magnetic field,
it
you
went
cannot see,
towards the north.
some change in
Goes
radiation.
towards the
So
north.
that
Right.
induces some
It is like
electricity in this coil.
It will go
That's
towards.
what
Because
you
you don't
can
want
see.
like this straight. Then it goes here. And then it just exactly opposite when it goes from physical medium to
Galvanism
wherever.
normally you should keep away from the magnetic
So
field
you see,
because this
it comes
itself has a magnetic field.
And so it
So
was
what is
parallel to
possible
this
is that this normal generator will
From
respond to
this we
two
can
things.
find out what is called
One
the
is there is a
refractive index.
change in
What is
magnetic
refractive
field
index?
or the area perpendicular to magnetic field change. You can rotate either coil or magnet to generate electricity. So normally most of you can see here there are the sources of electricity. How you can produce battery. We have seen it in our chemical experiment. We are using tricycles and then photovoltaics. For solar energy you convert
Here
that.
home electricity.
What happens to it when it travels in glass?
So which is the source of that? Normally what's the source of electricity? Maybe slow, which comes to low.
Very slow.
From where it
This
will
is a
become
power station. From there it is
Why is slow?
so
There are
normally
multiple sources.
multiple sources
Yes,
are
From
there.
First
water,
object is
hydropower,
dense.
Wind
Because of
power.
has
coal,
more
coal,
refractive
that's
index.
thermal power. Then wind.
So the velocity of
Turbine
light
constructs in big
becomes
turbines.
less
That's
and
one.
more
Then
refractive
nuclear
power.
is very less
Glass has
So these are the percentages.
then we have
Apart
refractive
from
index
this
is low.
magnetic induction, if there is a
Glass
change in
refractive
magnetic
index is
field,
more. Let's not worry about how
then
much
the
it is.
coil induces a current in that there. So that is the working principle of the electric generator. So this we are showing the principle of an electric generator. So if you see, you can deflect on one direction, it will come on the one direction. If it is going this way, it is coming. It is deflecting that side. If I take here, it will deflect on the opposite
What
side.
is sending?
So what it is showing, it is generating AC voltage. Which sometimes current is flowing from one terminal to another, and the other times it is traveling from the other side. So how we will find the direction of current? Normally we assume current has the flow of electrons. But the direction of current is direction of positive charge. So electrons is rotating on the positive clockwise. Our current will circulate on the anti-clockwise. So whatever positive charge is there, that is the direction of the current. So if you do only one direction that the current is flowing, you will call it as
What you have to do?
DC current,
Let's see.
direct current. If it is flowing on both directions, we will see it as a AC current. So some generator may be AC, some generator may be DC. So we will show you a DC generator also. It is nothing but a DC motor. So motor acts as both a generator and a motor. Now it is inside. You don't deflect that because the galvanometer will deflect. So I will now internally there is a magnet around in a direction. Now I will rotate it opposite.
That is the vertical line I have drawn.
It is flowing, deflecting otherwise. So how this is a DC motor wherever you can buy, some 20 rupees. So this will deflect. Same thing to show. I am showing you a motor also, which works on the same bed, but it is now what I am doing, instead of generating electricity, I am applying current to the coil. Now if I apply current to the coil, then what happens? Then a magnetic field is generated. That you understand? If I give a electric current, pass a current through a loop, then it will or it pass through a wire, you will see that there is a magnetic field. Now each same magnet में दो pole रहता है. It has two poles, one north pole and one south pole. Now actually if both poles are coming in the same direction, it will reflect.
He has intention or the
Then
slab.
it will exert a mechanical force on that. So flow of electrons is nothing but a current. So moving charge in a magnetic field produces a mechanical force, which is why our motor is rotating. So I can show you, if current flows in one direction, this our motor will flow in a particular direction, and if I reverse that one, my direction of force will be opposite, and it will start in the opposite direction. So it is very, one of you can hold. How you will, I will ask you whether it is clockwise, anti-clockwise after that. You see carefully, because at this start you have to see carefully where it is moving clockwise or anti-clockwise.
This is the angle of incidence that you measure.
Anti-clockwise. Now I have reversed its
Okay.
that is because now current direction has changed. The magnetic field is same.
Now you
So
measure
my
this.
thrust or mechanical force has reversed. That's why it is rotating on the opposite direction. So any moving charge in a magnetic field, so it will have a mechanical force on that. So a current loop actually will feel a
So now
force
we see.
in a particular magnetic field.
This is the.
Of course, we had both a one. So, the same thing we have bought a motor also. So same motor we have opened or we have generated from bare wires. So this is the bare wire through which you can pass a current, and if you place it above a mechanical magnet, then you can see this is rotating. But actually this will, suppose this is flow in the clockwise direction, then it will exert a force this side. But if it is opposite, you can see that voltage is flow, this current will flow on the reverse direction. So what we have done, we have carefully removed enamel on one side. But due to some multiple rotation, now enamels on both sides are gone. So it will not rotate, it will just, you can see it is oscillating. Because only on one direction current should flow, because some enamel has gone. But the principle is that it should oscillate, it should rotate while a coil and a current is passed through a unidirectional only.
You don't know what sign is. You have to calculate.
We will take the next step. Okay. The same way we are working on the working principle of the transformer is also the same. So here what we are doing, we have generated a AC using some electronic circuitry. So normally what happens, if this is a contactless charging method also you can use the same, because if this is a varying magnetic field, then it will induce a current in the coil. That is what we have seen. Here magnetic field is changing, it induces the current. Same way now I am making an electromagnet through current and it will change its, it will, now it will, you can see that, see this LED is glowing. You are able to see it?
Yes.
I will show you.
Do it what? Pin. We are taking longer time or can I take 5 more minutes?
There is no contact, but through magnetic coupling, this coil is getting the current and it is charging.
Okay, let's take a little
Or
more
it's
time. Let's see
a-
whether they are doing it with
Vinod, what's magnetic coupling?
You understood magnetic coupling?
Okay.
Because this current through this coil produces a magnetic field, and this magnetic field is changing because I am applying an AC voltage. So it coupled with this coil, and then this coil gets the voltage.